Welcome back to this video. If you are using Android phone, make sure you head over to your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. What we want to do, but in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. You have to open up your Play Store, click on search. So if you are using iPhone, go to search on your App Store and come to search app right here and make sure you type in Yahoo Mail. Click on that. And it's going to load up like so. Click on the Yahoo Mail, and then you have the interface right here. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus have downloaded and used this particular Yahoo Mail. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on install. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open. So it's going to take you right here. Sign in with a Yahoo, sign in with Google account. Don't have an account, simply click on sign up right here. Then it's going to take you right here. What you want to do right here is to enter your full name right here. Enter your last name right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to new Yahoo ID right here. So you'll be given different options, just like what you see right here. So if you don't like that option, tap on here and choose another option. This is another option. Tap on here and choose another one. Tap on here to choose another one. So you'll be given as many as possible options. I think I'm satisfied with this particular one right here. Just click on it and it will be reflected in the Yahoo Mail. So next thing you want to do here is to come down below right there and enter your login password. So having enter your login password, make sure the password is strong. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down and enter your date of birth. So right here, click on here to choose month. Then come to day right here. Enter day. Then year, you can simply type in year right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on next. So right here, you will need to provide your phone number. Click on here now and enter your phone number. After enter your phone number, scroll down right here and click on get code on WhatsApp. So after enter the code, click on save. The next thing you need to do, then your account will be created successful, just like what you see right here. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. Then if you don't like this particular color right here, you can switch to another color and click on next. Then right here, click on allow. Click on allow. Then scroll down right here, click on maybe later. Then close this pump up. Now you are here. Your Yahoo Mail has been successfully added to your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Yahoo Mail account on your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.